Making
Hey,
raised
hey, hey,
beads
y'all.
with
We are
my
working
daughter.
hard to get your orders shipped out. Thank you so much for all your orders. We really appreciate it. Right now, my Etsy shop is on vacation mode, so I want you to head on over to my other website, which is beadedandbalanced.com, and check out that website. We'll be adding more and more of your favorite jewelry and also self-care products on that website. So go check it out. My daughter Millie and I, we've been working on these orders. Millie's finishing up this amethyst waist bead. She's finishing it up, and then she's going to add a clasp to it. First, she's going to check the size, make sure that the size is the accurate size that the customer requested. And then after that, she's going to add the clasp to finish it. Me, myself, I'm working on this 2-strand waist bead. It is one of the waist beads is all gold, and the other one is a purple and gold with the Ankh charm, as you can see right here. I had 2 orders of those. So I finished both of those orders. Millie finished the amethyst and the opalite and pearl. We're going to package up these orders and get started on the next set. Peace, love, and balance, y'all. Don't forget to follow. Bye.